Go.
Am I supposed to be going?
Yep, go ahead, Jimmy. Thank you.
Okay, so what does this mean to you? Dave, can we control the price of utilities?
No, we cannot control price of utilities.
No, we can't. So what's the only thing we can control in this equation?
Our usage.
Yeah, how much we use. So let's take a look at that. Now, you mentioned you had a $300 a month utility bill.
Yes.
When we averaged your heating and cooling together. Well, I don't have 300 a month on here, but on my chart, but I have 291 a month. And what I want to do is take a look at what's going to happen to your utility bills if you do nothing, if you keep going the way you're going. Now, we already agreed which way are fuel prices going.
Up.
Nowhere but up. If they've been averaging about 10% over the last 20 years, 10% a year. If they only went up 5% a year, would you consider that to be conservative, Dave?
Yes, I would.
All right, great. So at $291 a month, that means last year you spent $3,500, correct?
Yes.
If it were to creep up, which we know will probably be more, but if it only went up 5% this year, this coming year, you're going to spend how much? $36.75, and we would make the customer would read that. I know you can't see it. So as time goes on, Dave, every month you're writing a check to your power company, aren't you?
You bet you are, yes.
Yeah, you ever take any time off and just not pay them?
I've thought about it, but I've never actually done it.
Of course, and I know that's a dumb question. But month after month, year after year. And by the way, how long does that payment go on for?
Forever.
Forever. So let's take a look at 10 years. If we were to add up all of those payments over the next 10 years, can you see that you will have spent $46,280?
Yes.
Isn't that mind-blowing, Dave?
Yeah, you don't even think about it, but it is absolutely crazy.
Yeah. Now, you mentioned you're going to be staying in this house. So let's take a look at 15 years. If we were to add up all of those monthly bills, month after month, for 15 years, what does that say? That's right, $79,640. Can we call it $80,000, Dave?
Yes.
And let me ask you a question. Can we agree that's going to happen? It's not if, but what?
When?
When. And if anything, that's on the conservative side, isn't it?
Absolutely.
So, Dave, at the end of all that, spending all that money, what are you going to have to show for it?
Nothing.
Nothing. Well, now that you see that figure, Dave, can we at least agree that you've got to do something to make this house more energy efficient?
Absolutely.
Right. In other words, stop giving away your money. Who are you giving it to?
The power company.
Yeah. Wouldn't you rather start investing in your own home and family?
Yes.
Great. Let's take a look at how we're going to do that.
Okay.
And that's the end of that section, Dave.
All right. Let's stop.